Brass Tacks Team. My name is Jessica Schmitz. I am trained as a classical flutist, copywriter, and I have a little side hustle as an Angora bunny yarn spinner. And I am super excited about the opportunity to potentially work with you guys. So I will just dive into Taxorama. So, question one, we have Mel, who is getting a very large tax refund. What $10,000 is what I would consider most freelancers would think as a very large tax refund. So she could be very elated, happy, ecstatic. Like if I were to get that, I'd be like, let's go get a beer and I'm paying. So I think this reaction makes a lot of sense because as freelancers, even though we might try our best to keep track of what we are making and how much we might get, it's really difficult because you're hustling to find work and it's a lot of numbers flying around. So it can be a really big surprise if you get more than what you think you might get. So pure happiness. Another emotion might be confusion. So this could go whether it was larger a refund than Mel expected or smaller a refund than Mel expected. So there could be some, healthy suspicion of, was this done correctly? Do you need more materials from me? Did you make errors? So I think, with that, it would just, potentially just assurance that, yes, this was done correctly. So I think suspicion and a little bit of confusion could come there. And then the third emotion might be frustrated. And this would really apply if Mel thought that she were getting much more of a refund. So and other things make sense because as freelancers, a lot of times, I personally, will count on refunds as coming in as something, especially over the summer months when, gigs are lighter, that, that was money that maybe I had not planned on, but that I was really hoping would be a part of my, budget going forward. So if there were frustration or even anger that, potentially at the IRS, the tax man, or even potentially at me as, the person who did Mel's taxes, there could be, some ruffled feathers that would be completely understandable in the situation.